So when I tell you I have found the coolest, cutest, funkiest new streetwear inspired trainers to show you guys, I am literally not lying. The designs, the colorways, the collaborations, these trainers are on a completely different scale to anything else out there in the market, and I am totally obsessed. Hi gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. As you guys know already from the title, in today's video we are doing a Old Order unboxing and review style video. Old Order are a sneaker kind of streetwear company that do really exciting alternative footwear. They are heavily inspired by kind of skateboarding and skateboarding culture, but then also how that's kind of intertwined into now like more this new era of like modern streetwear and how the two overlap. The colorways, the collaborations, just the different ranges are so exciting and so different to anything that I've seen out there on the market, so I definitely can't wait to unbox these and show you guys what I've got. I'm in between a size 36 and a 37, which is a UK size 3 and 4. It really just depends on the shoe and the fit. I do tend to find that trainers and high tops tend to fit me a little bit bigger, so I did size down and I got a 36 in both of these pairs. They do have a size guide online, so if you're a little bit unsure or you're in between sizes like me, definitely check out the size guide for reference. Both of the pairs that I'm going to show you today are from their original sneaker series. They do also have two other collections on their website. They've got their Turbo GT range, which is their like more running shoe style trainer, and then they also have their Okai, which I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly. It's got a little bit more of a 90s kind of Y2K inspiration in that one. Everything on their website is absolutely stunning, but I wanted to get the original range to show you and really give you that full Old Order experience. So yeah, I'm going to start off with this bad boy right here. This is their Panda colorway and I am super excited. As you guys can see, I will give you a little bit of a 360. So you've got their branding on the front, and what's really cool is this like panda graphic, which makes it feel a little bit separate from the other colorways that you get. You know that you are getting something a little bit more individual and different. This obviously says the Old Order original sneaker series, and then it's obviously the Panda specific branding. It's got this really cool texture to the back of the box as well. It's almost like a concrete-y finish. So like I said, I got these in a size 36. This is their Panda range, and I got them in it's like a black denim finish. So let's open these bad boys up. First off, we got some really cool kind of tissue paper. Again, it's got like a little sneaker print on it, which I think is really nice. I am a sucker for nice packaging, PR packages, general packaging, anything. If you pay that attention to detail to your packaging, I just feel like you're going to pay the attention to detail to the product, and I know I'm getting a good quality product when I'm purchasing from you, so I absolutely love that. As you can see, we can open them up, and here we are, these gorgeous shoes. One thing I would note is that the package is quite like empty. Not that the shoes came damaged in any way, but there's very limited like tissue paper around them, so I do feel like it could probably do with a little bit more support if it is traveling like a further distance. I don't even know where to start because there's like so much going on with this shoe, but I think it's absolutely stunning. I love like a really textured kind of OTT lacing detail on the front, which these guys have got. You've actually got two different laces going on. You've got this chunkier white lacing detail with like a grey stitch running through it, which I absolutely love, and then the end of it actually has these little things, and they've got their branding on there as well. They say Old Order, which is gorgeous. You guys know I love those little attention to detail moments. You've then also got this light grey kind of skinny lace as well. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's not one of those laces that's super flat. It's almost got like a three-dimensional feel to it. As you guys can see, it's got this super chunky kind of tongue with that Old Order branding. This is actually like 3D lettering on the top, and then it's like a smooth material to the white bit. Then you've got the black washed out denim, and then you've got this really soft kind of white squidgy foamy kind of feel to the back of the tongue. So the toe is actually like a white leather. You guys can see it's got like more of a crinkly detail to it, whereas this is like super smooth. And you get this really nice subtle line of a light grey, almost like nubucky kind of suede material, and then obviously it's finished with the black denim as well. On each side it actually has this really gorgeous like lettering detail, almost like distorted and manipulated, that it's a little bit more abstracted and you don't necessarily look at it and think it's like heavily branded. But obviously it's like super unique to their brand, and there's no other trainer that's gonna have that detail on, which is why I think it's really, really cool. At the back, you've got the same material as you had on kind of the front bit with the logo, almost rubbery in texture. And you've also got this little panda icon as well, and the stripes, which again are 3D and stand out. The sole color is slightly more of like a creamy, almost like a yellowy tone, and then it's got this really interesting like uneven kind of wavy detail running along the bottom. So your actual sole is black, but the two-tone effect obviously adds another level of dimension to the shoe. I think these would look perfect with all black outfits. They look gorgeous paired with dresses on a night out. If you want something that's a bit more of like a statement trainer, they look gorgeous with cargos, with jeans. Whatever angle you look at this shoe, there's something really cool going on, and they're definitely a statement piece, and I'm obsessed. I can't wait to style these out. So moving on to our second pair, again it's from the original sneakers series, but this time I wanted to get them in the white colorway to just kind of show you guys the difference. These are slightly more neutral, slightly more kind of generic, I suppose, something that you could compare against other trainers that are out there on the market. The box is very similar. This one is just obviously plain black, and it doesn't have a icon on it, but you have got the range name on there, and then obviously all your information. We've got the gorgeous tissue paper. Here are our gorgeous white colorways. As you guys can see, they are super, super chunky. They've got such a good weight to them as well. That's when you know you've got a good quality trainer, because you know the materials aren't like super lightweight and they're gonna last. So with the white colorway, again you've got the same laces. So you have the chunky white lace with the light grey, and then you've got the skinnier lighter grey lace as well. Again, it's got the old order detailing on it. This time, instead of the black denim, you've got like a white leather material for the majority of the shoe. This leather has got more of a soft feel to it. It's very smooth, and it's a little bit more of a true kind of bluier white. The tongue is actually made up of that creamier textured leather, and then you've got that silky white kind of soft fabric on the back. In terms of the lettering and the rest of the details, again it's that rubber texture, but this time it's more of like a mid-grey color, and this one hasn't got the panda icon. Instead it's just got the O for obviously old order. Wherever you go, there's little nods to the brand. You know, you've got the branding across the front, you've got subtle different monograms, you've obviously got the crazy branding on the side, which we'll get to in a minute, but then you've also obviously got it on the laces as well. So this shoe has got a lot going on, and it is heavily branded, but like I said before, it's just the way that they do it that makes it feel really unique and individual, and not like it's just a monogrammed brand print everywhere. It's got something really alternative and edgy to it, and they've really thought about the way that their brand's portrayed in the shoe, which I love. Like the other pair, you've got the old order lettering on either side. This really cool kind of wavy abstracted font. Each letter is also lined with a slither of that like grey suede texture as well. Everything is thought about to the tiniest little details. The sole of the shoe has this like creamier yellowy tone on the front and this really cool wavy texture, but this time the sole is more of a mid-grey tone. For me, a white trainer is an absolute staple in my wardrobe. It's something I wear every single day. I'm just totally obsessed. I can't wait to try these on and style them for you guys. So that is everything from Old Order unboxed, shown to you guys. I probably won't even make it to the summer without wearing these bad boys out, because I'm going to be wearing them all the time. They are going to be really flexible items in my wardrobe. You definitely can wear them, dress them up, dress them down. Wear a pair of blue jeans and a baggy white t-shirt, pop those trainers on, and it does the styling for you. If you like these, definitely check out the different colorways, but also check out the other collections, because honestly everything on their website is to die for. That is everything from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe as always. I will see you all very shortly in my next video.